Preparation of some recipes is not just exciting but are also filled with joy. In the previous episodes, we have promised to share the perfect recipe to have well puffed puris. And when it is served with Shrikhand, Shahi veg kurma, amras, and the delicious puri kura, it becomes a perfect thali. Therefore, in this episode, we have brought to you the preparation of well-puffed puris along with the perfect companions with those puris. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. The first step in the preparation of puris is to prepare a dough with a perfect consistency. So here we are taking 150 grams, that is 1 cup of Maida flour into a mixing bowl. To this, let us add quarter cup, that is 50 grams of Chiroti Rava. The next ingredient in the list is 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar. After adding powdered sugar, it is time for our king of taste, Mr. Salt. Let us add a little salt for the recipe and give this all a good mix. The dough for the puri has to be a little stiff. Therefore, let us add water as required to have a stiff dough out of this mixture. Be mindful of adding water to the mixture because too much of water can make puris absorb too much of oil. The next ingredient in the list is 1 teaspoon of ghee. Ghee ensures a beautiful texture to our puris. And now, for the dough to absorb the complete moisture, let us cover it and rest it for about 15 minutes. By the time we have a perfect dough, let us watch the snippets of various side dishes that we have already shared. The first amongst those is 3 different varieties of Shrikhand. The link for this is given in the description. After Shrikhand, we have spicy and royal Shahi veg kurma. This is not just a perfect recipe for puris, but it tastes brilliant with chapatis as well as different varieties of rotis. The third in the list is most loved and a perfect companion for puris, that is amras. Amras is easy to prepare, heavenly to relish, and the most apt companion for hot puris. The final side dish for puris is puri kura. This is a recipe taught by our grandma. Preparing puri kura is easy as well as a heavenly experience. Link for this is given in the description as well. As we watched the snippets for all the recipes that we have shown, here we have the perfect consistency in our dough. Let us knead this for one last time and portion these into teeny tiny equal spheres. All we need to do now is to gently flatten the spheres that we have portioned. It's a good idea to flatten all the portioned spheres beforehand. This ensures an easy process of frying the puris to get the optimum results for our efforts. When we have gently dropped the flattened spheres into the hot oil, it is important to carefully press the puris so that it puffs up beautifully. Let us gently and carefully drop the flattened spears one by one and have all the pooris fried perfectly till it has a beautiful golden color. As you have rightly observed, it is simple to prepare pooris, and the experience of savoring it is just inexplicable. This is it, my dear friends. Simple, golden fried and well puffed hot pooris are ready. When it is served with Shrikand, Puri Kura, Amras, and finally with Shahi Veg Kurma, it becomes a perfect thali to savor. If you like this episode, do click the like button and share this video with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.